DNA replication in bacteria occurs, option A, within nucleolus. It is incorrect because bacteria, being prokaryote, does not have a nucleolus. Option B, prior to fission. In bacteria, DNA replication occurs before binary fission to ensure that each daughter cell receives an identical copy of the genetic material. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, just before transcription. It is incorrect because transcription and DNA replication are separate processes. Now, transcription occurs throughout the bacterial cell cycle, but DNA replication specifically occurs before binary fission. Option D, during S phase. It is also incorrect because bacteria do not have an S phase like eukaryotic cells.